Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys doing well. Today I'm going to show you what happened to my skin as I rubbed an ice cube every day for 1 week on my face. If you like this kind of videos, please leave a comment down below. As you guys know, ice cube is really helpful for your skin. It helps with skin inflammation, acne, and tighten your skin, brighten your skin, and also reduce the wrinkles. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Today is the day one of rubbing ice cube on my face. First, I have washed my face, and now I will apply the um, essential daily care face serum. Apparently it is better if you apply serum before rubbing the ice cube on your face. It is 10 times better, so I'll do that. Now I'm gonna apply the ice cube on my face, but first I wanna let you know that if you apply the dry ice on your skin, it can be harmful or a little harsh to your skin. So I would suggest you, before applying it on your face, let it melt for 2 minutes and then apply it. It is really cold. Just rub it gently in the circular motion. Now I'm gonna apply the moisturizing cream on top of it. My skin feels really cold. I'm using the Argan face cream. It is from Finland. This is how it looks. As you can see, my skin looks soft, really smooth, but I don't know what will happen the next day. Let me see, and you guys will also see what will happen. Okay, so stay tuned. Today is day 2. So as you can see, my skin is in this condition. As you can see, my skin is much smoother than before. Let's apply the serum first and then rub the eyes. Now let's rub the eyes on my face. I have applied the eyes, and now I will apply the moisturizing cream. So I have applied the moisturizing cream. As you can see, my skin looks much brighter after applying the ice cube. And if you have a sensitive skin, I would suggest not to rub the ice cube much longer. If you rub it for 30 seconds to 40 seconds or 1 minute, it will be enough. If you apply more than that, maybe it could harm your skin or it can be harmful for you. So it is my own suggestion. uh, let's see what will happen in the next days. As you guys know, I will apply this ice cube for 7 days, so stay tuned. Today is day 3. I have applied the serum and now I'm gonna rub the eyes. I've told you previously, don't rub the eyes when it's dry. Let it melt for 2 minutes and then rub on your skin. It will be better. So I have finished rubbing the ice cube on my skin. Now I'm gonna apply the moisturizing cream. My skin really feels soft and smooth. Maybe it's because of the ice, and I don't know what will happen after the 7 days. Let's see what happens. So stay tuned for the next days. Today is day 4. After rubbing the ice cube, my skin of this nose is coming off. Maybe it's changing its skin. I don't know, but a little bit of marks in here. I have a pimple mark in here as well as in the forehead. It is reducing a little bit. Let's see what happens in the next days. Now I will rub the eyes. I have cleaned my face and applied the serum. After applying the serum, I use the eyes. When the eyes first touch your skin, it feels so cold, but after a few seconds, it gets better and it doesn't feel anything. I've finished rubbing my skin with ice. Now I'm gonna apply the moisturizing cream. After rubbing my skin with the ice cube, when I apply the moisturizing cream, it feels so smooth and it feels like my skin just airbrushed itself. I don't know how, I don't know why, but it feels so smooth. I wish you could feel it as well. Maybe you can when you apply on your own skin. Let's see what happens in the next days. So today is day 5. Let me show you the result of these 4 days. As you can see, my this pimple spot is very much lighter than before, and I really feel the difference in my face. The skin looks very soft and smooth. I have washed my face and applied the serum. Now I'm gonna rub the ice cube on my face. I've applied the ice cube. Now I'm gonna apply the moisturizing cream and I'll go to sleep. Today is day 6. Everything was good. My skin feels good. 5 days have passed and I have another 1 day left for rubbing the eyes. So let's see what will happen. Now let's rub the eyes on my face. I have washed my face and also applied the serum. So let's get on to it. So I have finished rubbing the eyes on my face. Now I'm gonna apply the moisturizing cream and you will see me in the day 7. So today is the day 7 of me applying the ice cube, actually rubbing the ice cube on my face. So I have applied the serum obviously after washing my face. So today is the day 7 of rubbing the ice cube on my face. So let's rub the ice cube. Before rubbing the ice cube, I have applied the serum obviously after washing my face. So let's rub the ice cube. So I have rubbed the ice cube on my face. Now I'm gonna apply the moisturizing cream and I'll go to sleep. The result will be the next day, so stay tuned. The results of rubbing the ice cube on my face is positive and I love the ice on my face. It feels really smooth and soft and I love it. It makes my skin brighter than before and I had no acne these days, and the acne spots what I had earlier is lighter than before, and the allergic reaction what I had on my face is lighter than before. and maybe I will rub the ice on my face very often, but not every day, twice a week, and I would suggest you to do that as well. And I have told you earlier that don't rub the ice directly from the freezer. Let it melt for a little bit and then apply it. It won't harm your skin. If you apply the dry ice from the freezer, it can stuck on your skin and it will harmful for your skin. So this is my suggestion. Please listen to it and it will be helpful for all of you. Thanks for watching. Ta-da!